Hello everyone, my name is Oscar Martinez. Welcome to Oscar Cocina. Today we're going to be making my famous pork shoulder picnic right in the oven, my Gallo Pinto, and my cabbage salad. Come on everyone, let's go. It's going to be delicious. Here's my ingredients. We got onions, tomatoes, limes, of course, little spicy serrano, a whole head of garlic, white vinegar, plantain, cabbage. We got salt, pork shoulder picnic, and the rice and beans for my Gallo Pinto. So come on, let's get to work and have fun. Let's go. All right, here we go. We're gonna rinse out the pork shoulder picnic. All around. Now we're going to dry it up. Dry up that skin very well so it'll be nice and crunchy, like pork rind or chicharron we call it back home. All right, first of all, you want to just go all over the skin everywhere. That way when you're roasting the pork shoulder in the oven, it catches the air inside and it'll turns crunchy. Now, here's the way I make it. And my kids, they love this puppy up. So I'm gonna poke holes everywhere, like 9 holes deep in there, really deep. And just put one garlic tooth in there. Here's another one. There as well. There you go. So that's 9 garlic teeth in there. So now this is how I marinate it. All it needs is just salt everywhere, and we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees for like, I would say 4.5 hours. See, I already have it, like, I have an idea how much salt to put on it, so. There you go. It may seem like a lot, but it's not. So, we're gonna put it all over the skin as well, right here. Flip it over. And make sure that the skin stays on top. That way it'll get nice and crunchy, you know, like pork crackling. So just put it in there. 4.5 hours at 350 degrees, and we'll see that baby in 4.5 hours. Okay, on the cabbage, I would take off the top layer, just like that. Same thing with the tomatoes. Alright, so we're gonna slice this baby up in half. There you go. So you do it nice and fine. Just go play it, just move it up and down. Alright guys, just got done slicing this cabbage, and then after that we're going to slice up tomatoes, onions, chop up some serranos, lime, vinegar. I used a little water in it too, and salt. Slice them up nice and thin. Okay, we're gonna add some lime into it. Let's, you know what, chop up the serrano. We use about 2 limes for a whole cabbage. We're gonna use about, I would say that's probably like 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, 3 or 4. Then I like to add some water. I would say about 1/4 cup. Now let's add some salt. So, you know, just have an idea how much to put in there, and then you can always add more. So since my hands are clean, I'm just gonna mix it everywhere. There it is. All right, we're gonna make the rice. We're gonna add some oil, olive oil. Should be good enough. Let it warm up for a little bit, even though the pan has already been heating up on high, pretty much on high. So we just add the rice in there. 1 cup. Then we're gonna add 2 cups of water. Try this baby out. It's pretty much ready. So like I said, there's a cup of rice. We're gonna add 2 cups of water. Add some salt. That's perfect. And then of course taste it. Just move it around. Make sure it catches salt flavor everywhere, and taste the water. Yep. Perfect, perfect. All right, we'll be back in about 3 minutes. Make sure that, and we'll show you how to cover it up and all that for like 20 minutes. All right, now that the rice is, the water's barely covering the rice, we're gonna turn it down to low. Cover it up for 20 minutes, and then we'll get back. All right, we're gonna add oil. We're gonna fry the beans at a little over medium. We're gonna fry some garlic. Cup or 2 of the garlic. Sure, fry it up for, say, roughly about a minute, so that the oil will catch a nice garlic flavor. Add on the beans now. And add a little salt on it. Perfect. And now just let it fry up till it's almost a little dry. Once it's a little dry and the rice is ready in about 20 minutes, then we're gonna mix it around. All right, we're gonna peel that plantain, cut the end, and then you know what? Let's do it this way. There we go. These are a little tougher than the right one. With it. There we go. Slice them up nice and thin, so they'll come out when they're cooked, deep fried. It'll be crispy. All right, now we're gonna add some salt on it. Plantain. Since these are not ripe, the one that are not ripe like this one, then you gotta add some salt to it. When you deep fry them, it come out a little salty. Okay, we're gonna check in the rice, and it's been 20 minutes already. Actually, it's like 22 minutes. It's ready. So now we're gonna put the fire. It was on low. We'll put it on 3/4. Let's mix it together. Make it a Gallo Pinto. Beans are already pretty much dried up. Water's gone. There we go. Beautiful. Try this baby out. Now we're gonna make the plantain. All right, I got the pan heating up, like 3/4, almost on high. Just add the oil. Let it sit there for, let it heat up for like a minute. There you go. Big enough for that. And then you want to fry it at least, I would say roughly about 3 minutes on each side. Let it catch a nice golden color to it. Here we go, let's try it out now. Nice. See that color? That's the color we want. That right there. It's gonna be like chips. Nice. Beautiful. All right, let's try it out now. Oh, nice. That's the way it's supposed to look. Nice and crunchy. After like at least, I think it was like about 4.5 hours altogether. And now the best part is coming up. Yeah, baby. Right, everyone, here comes the best part. Ooh, let's try this baby out. Grab some of that pork. Wow, what a lovely combination. Now let me try that pork skin. Wow, so tasty, garlicky, and that salad just really kills everything. Just awesome, so good. Salud, everyone. All right, thank you all very much for your like, comments, subscribes, and like I say, you know what? Don't forget to thank God for our health, for our food, and for giving us a nice, blessed day. Take care, everyone. Love you all. God bless. Booyah!